Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Chromebook Jetpack in Roblox. This sleek, high-tech accessory allows your avatar to take to the skies, adding a unique and stylish way to traverse virtual worlds. We'll cover the steps to claim it and reveal the extra perks you receive, like an exclusive vehicle in Welcome to Bloxburg. Let's dive into how you can add this cool item to your collection. To get your Chromebook Jetpack, you'll need to visit the official Chromebook Perks page. This item is an exclusive benefit for Chromebook users, so accessing the page from a Chromebook device is essential for the process. Once there, look for the Roblox promotion and click to claim your perk. The website will then provide you with a unique redemption code that you will use in Roblox. After obtaining your unique code from the Chromebook Perks page, head over to the Roblox Code Redemption website. Simply paste your code into the designated box and click Redeem. Once successfully redeemed, the Chromebook Jetpack will be added to your Roblox avatar inventory. As an added bonus, you will also unlock the exclusive Chromebook Cruiser vehicle in the popular game Welcome to Bloxburg, enhancing your in-game experience. Keep in mind that the Chromebook Jetpack is a special promotional item, often available for a limited duration. The perk is generally limited to one redemption per Chromebook device. If you don't own a Chromebook, some players have successfully obtained the code by using a display model at a retail store. Always ensure you follow all terms and conditions when claiming promotional items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.